What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Working on the Hotrod Lincoln. Got the decals picked out that I'm going to use. They were from a NASCAR kit, so they worked out kind of well because it's an American car and it's a pro street drag racing thing. I don't know. Those are the stock decals that kind of vibe with the rest of the design that I did. So we'll close one eye and imagine some of that will be covered, some of it won't be. That's fine. Little grocery list there, and we'll choose some typical ass window stickers and front window stickers and such, and just about ready to put some glue on the stuff and put it all together. And digging through my stuff, this was kind of this was from Nova, it says. Yeah, the same. It's sort of what I wanted, but a wrong color, and they're just sort of blah. I'll use what I can off of the stock ones, and I'll look at maybe some of this swoopy stuff for the hood. I don't think so. It's not really looking like it vibes. So that's about it. I've got a little bit of paneling I want to put on this stuff before I put it together. As far as the kit goes and the build, it, like I said when I was prepping it, it has a very NASCAR kit vibe to it. The way the roll bar specifically is, I would highly recommend putting it together first, and then painting it, putting it together, or vice versa, getting it so it's all one solid unit, because that was quite fiddly. I mean, there are registration points for it to go into, but there was some warpage and it was a little challenging. It's a decent kit. I tried my best to not booger that all up when I was doing the mock-up stuff. Watch me break it right now. It just barely fits under that. There we go. I anticipate that there may be some challenge getting the engine and the front mounted charger stuff to, I don't know, we'll see how that flows out. But other than that, it's been a fun kit. We'll see how it looks when it all comes together. Maybe putting a hinge on it so that it'll display like that, old school, what do they call it, floppers, funny car style. Like this would all have been a fiberglass replica. It's an okay kit. I'm not super excited about it, but whatever, it is what it is. It was a little bit warped, I think. It's probably one of the bigger letdowns I had. And it's very build specific, where you're kind of stuck with this. There's not a whole lot of option to do it like a stock town car or Lincoln or whatever the thing is. Ooh, roast me in the comments, you Ford fans. Huh? There's a fan somewhere. Are you a Ford fan? There's two of them. Do I have two Ford fans here? Ooh, this would be a click the like button if you're a whatever. Don't give a frank. I think I did pretty good to my original mock-up vision. I looked on the internet and tried to find something that made sense with what I wanted. Mostly it was this. I wanted that. So the experiment came out really well, I thought. So I will expect to see more of that. Basically. Multiple layers. And then maybe I'll even get bold enough to start doing that kind of thing with the lowriders. So that's about it. There's a slideshow, a few pictures of getting to this point of the sub-assembly and, the prep and paint and such. Enjoy, as always, and we'll see you in the next one.